And welcome to another tutorial on this channel. In this tutorial we're going to be changing your monitor hertz. So in order to do this, go into your desktop right here. I'm on my desktop right here. Then if we right click, then go on display setting. So once you're here, you could adjust all these, I guess, but then in this tutorial we're going to be changing the hertz. So down here, go all the way down here. Then wait, let me change this back. Go all the way down here, then press advanced display settings. Then here you could click the monitor you have. I only have one monitor, but if you have two, it will say display 2. So yes, I got display 1 right here. Then here press display adapter properties for display 1, or for you it will say display 2. Then here you get this pop-up. Go on monitor, then here it says screen refresh rate, and we'll go on then you could select the hertz. So you guys probably have like 144 hertz or like 200 hertz or something like that, but I got a really old monitor, so I only could go up to 75 hertz, but 60 hertz is, or 75 hertz is still good. So yeah, I could change it back to here. So once you do that, you just press apply. So let me just do this. So let me go back to 60 hertz, press apply. Then it will say, then here it will say keep changes. Then right here, my refresh rate will be at 60 hertz right here. So I'm just gonna change it back right here. So again, just go on the advanced settings, display 1, display adapter, monitor. Then I'll change it back to 75 hertz. So here it will say, then just press keep changes. So if you press revert, it will go back to 60 hertz right here. So hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these. Thank you.